create a video guiding you through the process of creating a slide in a shared Google Slideshow for our week 2 task. So if you go into your materials page under your course, so week 2, you'll find week 2 task vision boards along with the Spirit Week extra credit assignment. Both of these assignments are very similar. They're submitted through the actual slideshow. So in other words, you just click on the week 2 task. You'll find your period. I'll just choose photo 2 and 3. And then from here, you're going to see the slideshow. I always recommend saving these to your folders. So you'll go to Move to Drive, and then find your student work folder, select your period, find your name, and then just select Move Here. Mine has already been activated, so it won't allow me to do it again. Please read through the instructions carefully. If you read, even on the second slide, it says you do not need to send me anything. Please do not email me your vision boards. All you have to do is copy and paste your slide into this presentation. Then I'll be able to see it and give you credit for it. And please do not remove or change anyone else's slides. This is an editable document, which means you can easily erase and change things. But just know that everything is recorded. Literally see when and who made those edits. Choose a background. I have about 6 different templates here you can use. A gallery wall, a blank wall, a little grassy wall, bulletin board, another fancy bulletin board, a whiteboard, and a locker. So when I made mine, I chose the locker. But you can, of course, choose a blank one if you want to. So you can work directly into this slide, but let's say you're a little nervous and you don't want to work into the slide. Go to your folder, open up a new slide, create and share, and then you can just easily paste your images directly into the slide. I like to clear it, so I deleted all of that information. And now I can just add my vision board. So to create your vision board, of course, you want to make sure your name is included. Highlight it. I can change the font, center it, make it larger, make it bolder. And there we go. Now I have my title. And let's say I wanted it to look like it was on an actual piece of paper. I can change the fill color. I'm going to go with a little bit lighter blue color. And I could even add a border if I want to. Just like that. And then I can start filling in images. So first you need to have a picture of yourself. So if you insert an image, this is that little picture box right here, the drop-down menu, upload from computer, search the web, your drive, your photos, URL, camera, etc. So I already have them uploaded to my photos, so I'm just going to click there. I'm going to go to my albums because I made an album for easy access. And I dropped some photos in there that I wanted to use for this assignment. So already I have about 4 to 5 pictures that are ready to go. So now I can just spread those out. And because this overlaps, this one overlaps, I want it to be consistent. So I'm going to rearrange it. So I want this to be on top. So I go to Order, Bring to Front. I need one more image. For my other image, I'm going to search the web. So let's say you're really into, maybe you want to learn how to play the guitar. So you type in guitar, maybe clip art. PNG or a transparent background helps to make it a cutout, like a sticker. So I like this little acoustic one here. I'm going to go with the white one. Insert. And now it automatically inserted my picture. So now I have a guitar here, my clip art. So again, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pictures. One includes a picture of myself. My name is on there, super simple. I could also, let's say I wanted to work with one of these backgrounds. Let's say I like this one. You can just duplicate it or copy it, go to Edit, copy image, go back to your presentation, drop that in there. I'm going to copy all of these pictures and place them right onto this slide. And now I have a crazy background. I made this on a separate slide, not the class presentation slides. So what I have to do to submit my work is now save a copy of my vision board. So again, go to Edit, copy your slide, and then go back to the presentation where it says your period. Scroll down, click on it, and then go back to Edit and paste. And your slide will pop right up. You can drag it anywhere you want in the presentation, preferably not in the beginning. Somewhere towards the end is fine. And then your slide is submitted for grading. That is all you have to do. You do not have to turn in an assignment. You don't have to email me your slide. All you have to do is copy and paste it directly into your period presentation, and it's done. It should be that simple. Same with the Spirit Week assignment. So I participated in today's Spirit Week, which is Tuesday. I posted a picture on my Instagram. I took a screenshot of that picture so that I saved it onto my computer. So now I just go to Tuesday's Spirit Week folder. I go to the template. I copy the template. I paste it in. Now there's two versions. This one I can add my name to. And then I go back to my computer because again I took a screenshot of it. And then I just drop that screenshot right into the square. You can center it if you want to, but you don't have to. And then there you go. You just submitted your extra credit assignment and you'll get extra credit. So same process. I hope that helps. If not, email me, let me know how I can assist you any further, and have a great day. Bye. Thanks for watching.